Hey guys, 828 Fine Adventure. I've got a new little mod here for the 4th gen Tacoma. I don't know how big a difference this will be, but I've heard it does make a little bit of sound difference. Basically what I'm getting is there was a Memorial Day sale at SXTH Element, so I picked up one of these axle dumps that eliminates the resonator. So let's put it on. It's pretty easy to do. You do need to lift the vehicle in the rear to get the exhaust off, from what I understand. It also helps to have the exhaust hanger pliers that, let me show you that. These are exhaust hanger pliers. You just spray some WD-40 on the little rod that the rubber hanger is hanging on, and then you use these and it pops right off. So we'll be using these. But basically, this is what I've got right here. Let me put this box down. So basically you can see the welds, really nice, stainless steel. This is basically for clearance off the rear, because you can see the tailpipe down here hangs pretty low. It's a pretty big tailpipe, and we're gonna eliminate that and try this. And not that I need it for clearance, but you know, this is kind of a neat, well-made mod. It was on sale. And you know, it's just really, really nice. This thing will look cool sitting on your desk. I mean, it's like a pencil holder or something, but it's pretty cool. So let's get this on there. It'll be real easy to do. Let's get to it. Hey guys, one thing, if you would, please press the subscribe button. I'd really appreciate it. And check out the links in the description below the video. I've got some discount codes and some all links to different websites and stuff where I've sourced parts. So check those out. While the ramps are great for unbolting the muffler and detaching the muffler hangers, you will still need a floor jack to jack up the driver's side of the vehicle to get the muffler off. The pipe is too long to get over the axle, so you will need to raise it up. I think I raised it up to where the tire was about 4 or 5 inches off the ground, and I could get it out really easy. So the first thing we're gonna do is these two right here need to be loosened up, and the bolts taken off. And then you see that one hanger behind it. I'm gonna WD-40 that when it's time to remove the muffler. You also have some in the rear. And that'll be it. And then we can bolt the little axle dump right onto this muffler here. So let me WD-40 those, and then let's get bolting that thing on and removing the muffler. This is where I discovered that the ramps weren't going to give me enough distance between the axle and the bottom of the bed to remove the exhaust pipe. So I had to get the floor jack out to jack up one side of the vehicle. So after you unbolt the exhaust and detach the rubber exhaust hangers, you can then jack up the vehicle on the driver's side lower the spare, and the muffler back exhaust will slide right out, no problem. Plenty of room. Anyways, folks, that's what I got for you today. The 6 element axle dump sounds pretty good. I like it. Easy mod, gives it a little more throaty sound when you're in the parking lot or whatever. You might not be able to hear it on the highway. There won't be any drone. All we're doing is getting rid of the resonator, and you know, I'll discover that on my own. But this is minimal sound improvement. But it is an axle dump, and it gets rid of that huge tailpipe out the back, which backing into parking spaces or whatever, or off-roading, I don't care what it is, you don't want to tear something up. So that's what I got for you today. I got more stuff coming. Like, share, and subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. And I will see you again. I'm trying to put up a video every week, either on the 4Runner or the Tacoma. We've even got some radiator hose improvements for the GTI. So stay tuned, and I will see you next time. See ya.